Types of crypto wallets. What is a crypto wallet? So wallets are meant to hold your crypto safely. Your entire net worth is your responsibility. There are no banks and there are no ways to reverse transactions.
What if I lose my wallet?
That's why we have recovery keys, aka private keys, aka seed phrase. So let's say that you got some Bitcoin and you accidentally lose your wallet or delete it by mistake. Thanks to the recovery key, you can actually replace your funds back to the wallet. So there are three types of wallets. There's paper wallets, hot wallets, and hardware wallets. So what are paper wallets? Paper wallets are a physical piece of paper with both deposit and private key information. These types of wallets are typically generated on a secure offline wallet generating computer, made specifically just to make paper wallets. So what are the pros to paper wallets? Well, for one, they're very secure because they're not connected to the internet at all, and that makes them immune to hackers and online viruses. That makes it perfect for people who own a lot of Bitcoin and are paranoid. Another thing is that you also own your private keys, whereas some wallets won't give you that. And if you don't own your private keys, you don't own your money. So what are some cons? Well, for one, they're very inconvenient because it's a physical piece of paper and you can misplace it, it can get destroyed, it can get, lost, or someone can just steal it. Also, they're a pain in the butt to set up properly from an offline key generating computer. These are not good solutions if you're a beginner, but if you know what you're doing, they could be very effective. Next is software wallets, aka hot wallets. These types of wallets are a digital form of holding crypto, and they can be either apps, software on your computer, they can be exchanges, or they can be web extensions. So some of the pros of these kinds of hot wallets are that they're convenient and beginner friendly, they're free, and they support many different coins apart from Bitcoin. Now, what are some of the cons to these wallets? Well, because they're connected to the internet, they're subject to online exploitations and hacking. Some wallets won't give you access to your private keys, and because these apps are made by a company, they run on centralized servers, again, putting them at risk of hacking. So on to the next kind. These are hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are a physical device meant to hold Bitcoin and altcoins, and they usually range from $50 all the way up to $300 plus. So the pros to having a hardware wallet are that they're immune to hackers and online viruses because you have them in a physical offline format. Hardware wallets can also hold multiple altcoins. They have more accessible software through a phone app and computer software, and they also give you access to your private key. Some of the cons are that you have to buy a hardware wallet, and these are also subject to being physically stolen. So in conclusion, if you're just starting out, storing small amounts of Bitcoin on a hot wallet is fine. But if you're looking to keep larger deposits and you want to invest more money, it's much safer to invest in a hardware wallet or an offline wallet. I'll have a link to some wallets in the description and also a link for the hardware wallet. If you click the hardware wallet link, I do get a little bit of money from that, but if you guys want to support the channel, why not? Thanks for watching.